Today, we're going to talk about partial fraction. So what is partial fraction? Well, I'll give you an example with, let's say you have 1 over 2x plus 3 over 5x minus 2. How would you add this together? Well, get the common denominator and just add it together, right? Yes. So to get the denominator, we gotta multiply by the denominator, right? Of course. So it's gonna be 2 part, like so, right? So 2x times 5x. Well, technically distributed. So 2x times 5x is 10x squared. Then 2x minus 2, which is minus 4x. So that's a common denominator. Okay, then we're gonna multiply by top and bottom. So this on this, just the same thing, which is 5x minus 2 is. This on this, which is 6x. Add this together, you will get 5x plus 6x, which is 11x minus 2 over, well, this is the same thing, so we just keep it. And yeah, that's our answer. So this is a partial fraction. You take this big fraction and turn it to 2 smaller fractions, right? So first we're gonna break it in half like this. Then you just, well, here. Let me give you guys an example. And let me get my eraser. I forgot my eraser. So here we go. I shouldn't really just erase it, but I'm gonna erase it anyway. So let's say we have three x plus 3 over 5x squared minus 2x. How can we do this? Well, first, you gotta break into 2 small fractions, right? Like this. Well, you can't break this. Can you like? No. Then plus. Now let me give you guys a different example. Like this. So we have 3x plus 5, x squared minus 4. Well, this denominator, you can do it as like this. X minus 2 to x minus plus 2, right? This is difference of 2 squared. So if you break this, this would be 2 multiply thing. And the top will be the same thing. So this become something on top over x minus 2 plus something on top x plus 2, right? Because when you add it, once you add this, it's gonna be this one, and the top times this, but we don't know what the top is, so let's call it A. And this side called B. So now, this 2 and this one are the same. Let's use this one because it's much simpler. Because we have a square right here, which is pretty complicated. But let's solve this equation. This equation, you can multiply by everything by the common denominator, which is x minus 2 times x plus 2. So this will cancel out. So you just get 3x plus 5 equal to x minus 2 cancel, so you get A times x plus 2, then plus B, this cancel, so B times x minus 2. Now, to figure out, let's solve for A first, but it's 2 variable. Technically 3, but we're solving for this too. So technically x is a constant now. A and B. We're gonna solve for A and B. But to solve for A, we need to make B disappear, which is multiplied by 0. So how do we make this whole thing equal 0? X equal 2, right? Yes. So if x equal 2, this means 3 times 2 plus 5 equal to A times 2 plus 2 plus B times 2 minus 2. As you see, 2 minus 2 is 0. So 0 times B, which is 0. That's very nice because now it's only one variable, which is easy, right? Yes. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. That's equal to A times 2 plus 2 is 4. 4A. And this cancels, so we just get A equal to 11 over 4. 11 over 4. So that's what A is. Now, you know what A is? You can plug in here, right? Technically, yes. But you plug in minus 2 in X. Just get 0, right? So let's plug in X equal minus 2. So this we go to 3 times minus 2 plus 5 equal to A, just nothing. So you have B, just like this one, but I just want to write it so you guys see. Minus 2, minus 2. So you have minus 4B equal to negative 6 plus 5, which is minus 1, by negative 4 both sides, B equal to 1/4. So here's our two answers. So the final answer is, so let's do this one because this is the original one. So it's gonna be 3x plus 5 over x squared minus 4. Break this, you will get 11 over 4 over x minus 2 plus 1/4, that's B, over x plus 2. That's it. Now to prove this is right, this thing is right, add them up. Common denominator, so you will get this, so it's gonna be x squared minus 4 like this. On top, this multiplied by this, it's gonna be 4 over 4 times x. This times 2, which is 11 over 2. So plus 11 over 2. And this times this, you get 1/4. Oh my god. Plus, so basically x over 4, but let's just write 1/4 x. This time this, you will get minus 1/2. Okay, let's add all this up. This plus this, you get 12 over 4, which is 3. Plus this time this, which is 12 over 2. Oh, my bad. We got 6. So this plus this equal to 3 and the x. Then this minus this, 11 minus 1, which is 10. 10 over 2 is 5. Then the bottom, we keep it same. That is right. So yeah, that's our first example. Very clear and straightforward, right? So these are just the basic of partial fraction. So maybe I'll put maybe a little bit harder in our next video. But let's get to our second problem. We got 14x minus 20. We're gonna do big number this time. x squared plus 9x now let's do minus plus 20. Sure. Okay, so let's get the common denominator. Well, right here, right? But let's do it like in two separate things. So like, can we let's factor it. Factoring this is what times what equals 20? Well, let's see. We got 4 times 5. And negative 4 times 5. Negative 4 times negative 5. We got 5 times 4. And we got, of course, negative 5 times negative 4. Then we got 2 times 10. We got 10. We got 2 times 10. Like this. So of course we got 10 times 2. Then we got, I think that's it. Then we got negative 2 times negative 10. And negative 10 times minus 2. So there's our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 option for you to choose. But which one? It's 8 option, right? You can only pick one, maybe 2, but so these, when you multiply it together, you get 20. But add together equal negative 9. Well, 4 times 5 does equal 20, but add together you get 9, not negative. And this obviously wrong, right? So you know it's not the bottom. And this are positive, so you know we can choose this one and this one. It don't matter which one. So we just get first one, which is x minus 4 or x minus 5. It don't really matter. Then x minus 5. At the top, let's do a, b, like so. Now we got to do this first. We'll do like this. So it's easier when we do it next time. Like this. Then we keep doing the same thing. Then this is equal to a over x minus 4 plus b over x minus 5. Let's start like this. Multiply by everything by common denominator, which is this. This cancels, you get 14x minus 20. That's equal to, this cancels, you get a times x minus 5. Then plus b. This cancels, you get b times x minus 4. This. Plug in x equal to 5. This equal to for this cancels, you get b times this. You will get 14 times 5, which is, let's do this first. Well, this is just b, of course. And this equal to b equal to, let me write like this. So like 14 times 5, 4 times 5, 0 or 2, 70. So 70. So b just equal to 70. Oh, then minus, this is 1, so like b, 70 minus 20, which is 50. So b equals 50. Solve for a. So let's plug in 4. So it's equal to 14 times 4 minus 20 equal to b. No, a, because b cancel. 4 minus 5. So you get, this is negative a. That's equal to 50 minus 70 minus 14, which is 70 minus 14, which is 56. Or you just multiply by it, so you get 4, 6 like this. Then yeah, same thing. Then minus 20. Minus 20, which is just 36. So yeah, age is equal to minus 36. And it's a whole number, so look pretty good. So the final answer is that's A. My bad. This is A. B, which is 50 over max minus 5. And here's your favorite answer. I mean, your final answer. You can check it for me. And yeah, that's it.